How to fix connecting to server in Pokémon Unite. If you're stuck on this connecting to server screen in Pokémon Unite, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you why this happens and how to fix it step by step, so let's get started. Before trying anything, check if the servers are down. Sometimes Pokémon Unite has scheduled maintenance or unexpected outage. You can simply go to downdetector.com for reports. Here you can simply search for Pokémon Unite and see if the servers are down or not. If the servers are down, you'll have to wait until they're fixed. A simple restart can often fix connection issues. Just close Pokémon Unite completely and restart your phone, switch or PC and relaunch the game and check if it connects. If this works, your game was just stuck. Next, a weak or unstable connection can cause server issues. Simply switch from Wi-Fi to mobile data, or you can restart your router and connect again. Use a wired Ethernet connection if on PC. Make sure you have at least 5 to 10 Mbps for a smooth experience. Now, if it didn't work, an outdated version of the game may cause connection issues. So here's how to check for updates. Just go to App Store or Google Play Store and simply search for Pokémon Unite. And if there's an update available, simply update it. And that's it. That's how you fix the connecting to server issues in Pokémon Unite.